heading into lunch. Haywood Cafe, Route 209, here in Waynesville. Looks pretty good. Alright, we'll get some lunch.
Lemon in your sweet tea.
Please, that'd be nice, thank you. So what would you guys get? That looks pretty good. I like the guiding principles. Faith, honesty, service quality, fun, dependability. So far I'm impressed. Haywood Cafe, Route 209. I ordered the fish sandwich today. I got it blackened, and it looks pretty delicious. So far I'm pretty impressed. I'm sitting here at the counter and observing the chefs back in the kitchen and preparing the food properly. The kitchen's really clean. Super impressed. So I'm gonna dig in. Okay, so I'm just getting done here at Haywood Cafe. It's 209 and I-40. What a great little place. Actually, I had their the blackened fish sandwich and the fries, and actually got the cinnamon roll to go. But yeah, super impressed. So people back here again for a sandwich for lunch. Haywood 209. On to the next ride. It was a good day.